birthday to
Hi everyone, I am Regal. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. आज है 17th of November. कल है कि हमारा birthday. So the plan is the same कि हम लोग 17th को birthday celebrate करेंगे और 18th को हम कैमरे को कहीं घुमाने लेके जाएंगे. Probably not too far because coming Saturday also we have travel, so I don't want kids to get exhausted. So yeah, it's my daughter's 4 years birthday and I'm gonna make it really special for her. What are you doing? Are you helping me? Are you helping me? No ना? Help कर रहे हो? So here I have placed out all the things. I'll be using the star and I'll be using the starlights. Here are the cutout of the characters. ये देख के आप theme तो समझ ही गए होंगे. It's gonna be Frozen because she's been crazy about Elsa and Anna since a very long time. So I thought this would be the perfect time. Then I've got these party fans as you call it, and then I've got these blue and silver star foil balloons and the rest of my box which has some birthday stuff there. So we'll decide what all we have to put. So yep, Anna,
What's this?
Kristoff,
What's this?
Olaf,
Wait. What's this?
Elsa.
Dog.
Thank you.
What's this?
It's a tube light.
Honey, what is it?
I think it's a toothpaste.
Not a toothpaste.
Then what is it?
What is it?
What is it?
Honey, what is it?
It's a toothbrush.
Wait, dog.
Obviously I wanted it to be like a surprise for her, but it's not possible because अभी तो कहीं जा नहीं रहे हैं, and so we'll be doing it together only, but the excitement is the same. She is still very happy that it's her birthday and we are decorating and everything, so that's the good part. So yeah. Hi, छो जाओ गुड्डू, छो जाओ, मम्मा काम करना. You're doing it on your own?
That's not working. It's falling down again. Again.
You want my help?
Yes.
Yeah. That's what we have done by far. I'm thinking of putting more star balloons there. and some lighting, and I have to put snowflakes as well. Also I have to clean up the table and set up that for the cake and the gifts and everything. By far this looks like this. I'm pretty happy. Do you like it? Yeah, it's good. She's not that impressed, but I'm trying. So finally that's what I've done so far, and I think this looking pretty decent, so I'll just go with it. So for the table I'm starting with putting these cartoon superhero frames, and then I'm also gonna put these lights, so really cute. I'm just gonna put few of these here. कौन से डाग से ये बाहर निकलते निकलते? वाह वाह वाह, तो टैलेंटेड ना एकदम, वाह. So that's how the table look. तक मैं इतना करा है. वहाँ पे मैं टेबल, उसके ऊपर मैं केक रखूँगी. I don't have a cake stand, so अभी काम चलाओ. हमने ये कर लिया.
Mommy, wash this. Will you keep it in the bowl?
हाँ जी बेबी.
Mommy, you keep it in the bowl.
I have to wash this one. अभी wash किया नहीं बेबी.
Yeah, can you wash it?
Okay, I'll wash it.
Can you please?
Yes, I can.
Can you?
टाइम ऑलमोस्ट 4 बज चुके हैं. डेकोरेशन करते करते बीच में ब्रेक लेके मायरा को सुला के खा के पी के नाउ इट्स 4 ऑलमोस्ट डेकोरेशन इज डन. नाउ हमको अब केक लाना है. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि अभी केक लाना है.
Wash this.
1 minute. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ उसको साथ में लेके चले जाऊँ, सो दैट विल बी ईजियर. उसके मन का भी हो जाएगा. वट एवर शी वॉन्ट शी कैन पिक इट एंड वी कैन बाई इट. So that's what the plan is, but let's see how it goes. Hope she likes what we are trying to do for her. I hope it's up to the mark. I don't know if it is, but I'm trying my level best. Are you?
Yes. Subscribe.
Time is 4:30. करण केक लेने गया है, और वो केक लेने इसलिए गया है क्योंकि ये बच्चे को सोना था. नहीं तो we would have gone. What?
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. My birthday.
It's your birthday?
Yes, yes.
It's your birthday? That's how they are sleeping. So time is 5 o'clock. दोनों बच्चे finally they have slept. अब मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं यहाँ पे पूरा टेबल पे जो गिफ्ट्स एंड ऑल रखना है वो मैं रख दूँ. बाय द टाइम बच्चे उठेंगे करण केक भी ले आएगा, सो दैट विल बी ऑल्सो देयर. एंड ऑल्सो आई एम थिंकिंग कि जो भी आउटफिट्स हम लोग को पहनने हैं वो मैं बाहर निकाल के रख लूँ. ऑब्वियसली देयर इज अ कलर थीम कि मायरा इज गोना बी वेयरिंग ब्लू एंड रेस्ट ऑफ अस विल बी इन वाइट. सो या लेट्स डू दैट. So that's Kimaira's outfit. I know it's like pretty common, but she really wanted to be Elsa for her birthday, so hence I bought this one. And I've also bought this set which comes with some jewelry, hair and crown, and obviously the gloves. Now I'm also placing some snacks on the table just to make it whole. I'm gonna make like really easy snacks with Mari. All you're supposed to do is just you're supposed to top Mari with this chocolate spread and put gems on it, and the kids would love it. This is done. This is as simple as that. Now आप इसको थोड़ी देर फ्रिज में रख सकते हैं चिल करने के लिए, and then you can just place it out. It's a very easy snack. Obviously अभी बच्चों को रोज़ नहीं दे सकते because sugar rush. But sometimes special occasions it's nice. So apart from this, I'm also thinking of placing some chocolate almond popcorns because she really likes them. I'm also thinking of placing some mini pizza toast. It's very simple to make, just some bread, ketchup, cheese, and that's all you need, and some seasoning if you want to. Apart from that, I'll be placing some pastries and the cake obviously, and I think that'll be all. Like obviously she's not gonna eat all of it, but I just want to make it special for her, especially because due to this COVID times हम लोग ज़्यादा बाहर नहीं गए हैं, वो ज़्यादा बाहर नहीं निकल पाई है, and like she really Like Kimaira is somebody who just loves going out and exploring things, and she just missed that this year. So I am trying to make it special for her. So I just want to place the whole table so that when she sees it, she gets really happy. Just when I thought कि मैं थोड़ा सा कॉफ़ी पी लूँगी, चिल कर लूँगी इनके उठने के पहले देखो who's up? Cakes here, the pastries are also here. Kimaira is still sleeping.
Okay.
What is it? And what's on the table? Like it? Show me your face. Oh. Oh.
It's a dress.
For
Birthday.
birthday? And you look like
Elsa.
Elsa. Yeah?
Yeah.
Happy? Happy?
Happy birthday.
What all is there?
Is Anna.
Hmm.
Stuff.
Kimpy,
Show
see,
me.
take this one. This is blue one. Give one to Myra also. See the small ones? The small ones you can give to Myra, and the big ones you can have.
Maya, small. I can have the people.
You can have this one. See?
They want.
They want to sit in the house.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Mom, this is me. It's for mine. It's for me and mine.
It's for you and Myra.
Yes.
Acha.
Now we can share them.
Myra?
Share some doll's house. A house.
Acha.
It's for me.
Who?
Nan and Papa. They ordered this for me. I like this so much. Wow.
लगाओ लगाओ कुछ भी So these are the outfits. That's for Kimaira, obviously, and that's what Myra is going to be wearing. It's a very comfortable dress which I've got for her. It's from Ginny and Johnny. I'm going to be wearing very plain off-white with some blue spots, kurta and jeans. Karan is going to be wearing a white shirt and light blue jeans, so that it all matches. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. open it.
You want me to open it?
Yes. You know, I didn't open it.
Give. Give no.
Yeah.
इतना भारी तो नहीं है बच्चे.
A princess and a mermaid. Fairy, princess, mermaid. Oh. Yes.
Open them. What is it?
It's a dollhouse.
It's a tree dollhouse, baby.
Dollhouse.
Supposed to open. Hi. बैठने के लिए नहीं है बेटा. बैठ गई. Kimara, the rest of the stuff is in the box, beta.
Now chocolate. This is a door. This is a window.
Yes.
So I can open it
Mm-hmm.
and I can see.
Okay.
So the dogs can in dark.
Mm-hmm.
So
And there's a doll also with it. There's a small doll also, and there's a dog also. There, pamphlet. You're supposed to see in it and then make it. Okay?
okay. Yeah. And you fixed it. And
Huh?
I keep the doll in the house.
Okay. There's the big doll house. Mama got you a big one.
Yes.
Where is it?
It's in a box.
Myra is sitting on it.
Yes.
You want to open that?
Yes.
You want Daddy to help you?
Let's do this.
Daddy, can you come here? Help her open the big box?
He wants to open this.
Okay, open that.
Wait. Come here.
Daddy is gonna be busy the whole night today. That's what it seems. Yeah, baby?
Dad, Mom,
Hmm?
this is for dog.
Yeah, it's a dog house. Yes, it's for dog. There's a dog also in
It's
it.
not for dog.
No, it's for dog. It's not for doll. Yes, you're right.
This one is for this.
My God. It's even difficult than I thought. Better I can give my MBA exam again.
Na kuch bhi.
Go on. Martin, hold in the table.
She can play slide, she can swing, or she can have some tea. And when you're done, you can close it.
She also has a mask. She's a party mask. See?
You can make them also sit if you want.
No, they're too big.
They're too big.
Sit there.
Oh, they'll sit in this one, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And where's...
This is too low.
There's a dog also, Kimpy. See, there's a dog.
Oh, open this for me.
Remember to subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
Like this video.
I like this video.
I will see you soon.
I will see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.